The Keychron M4 is an ultra-lightweight, compact wireless mouse designed specifically for users who prefer a fingertip grip. Weighing just 35 grams, it offers exceptional portability and responsiveness, making it a compelling choice for both casual and competitive gamers. Design and build. The Keychron M4 features a minimalist design with a matte plastic finish, available in black or white. Its small size, approximately 86 mm in length, 54 mm in width, and 32 mm in height, makes it one of the smallest gaming mice on the market. Despite its diminutive size, the mouse maintains a sturdy build quality, with well-textured surfaces that enhance grip and prevent slippage during use. Performance. Equipped with a high-precision sensor, the Keychron M4 delivers outstanding performance with a maximum polling rate of 4000 Hz. This high polling rate ensures minimal latency, providing a responsive experience that is particularly beneficial in fast-paced gaming scenarios. Ergonomics. Designed exclusively for a fingertip grip, the Keychron M4 may not be suitable for users who prefer palm or claw grips. Its small size can be challenging for individuals with larger hands, potentially leading to discomfort during extended use. Connectivity and battery life. The Keychron M4 supports both wireless 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth 5.1 connections, offering flexibility for various usage scenarios. Its ultra-lightweight design and compact size make it ideal for on-the-go use, easily fitting into a laptop bag or pocket. The mouse is powered by a rechargeable battery, providing extended usage between charges. Overall, the Keychron M4 is a specialized mouse tailored for users who prefer a fingertip grip and prioritize portability and responsiveness. Its ultra-lightweight design, high-performance sensor, and compact size make it an excellent choice for gamers seeking a mouse that offers precision and ease of movement. Thank you so much.